Hi, it is Necati. In my previous short videos, I tried to explain some keywords related to AI, and one of them was machine learning. In this short video, I will try to give more details about machine learning, and I will try to keep them non-technical. We can categorize machine learning algorithms as three categories. The first one is supervised learning, the second one is unsupervised learning, and the third one is reinforcement learning. When you want to use supervised learning, you have to know that there are two phases. The first phase is the training phase, the second phase is the prediction phase. So in the first phase, you provide pairs of data. So that is the input and that is the expected output. For example, that can be image. So this image has a car on it, so you label it as car. And second image may contain bicycle, so you label it as bicycle. So you have pairs of data and you give them as an input into supervised learning algorithm and it trains it. So once it is trained, when you have a model, so we completed the training phase. Once you have the model, you can now make predictions. And in this prediction part, of course, you will not provide pairs of data. You will only provide the first part of the pair. So in that case, in this example, which is image, now you will provide the image data to supervise the trained model, and then you will ask it to make a prediction. So what you should know about supervised learning is there are two phases. The first one is training, the second one is prediction. And to train a model, you have to provide pairs of data. And to make a prediction, you will provide the first part of the pairs, and it will try to predict the result. Unsupervised learning is used to find the patterns in the data without providing the pairs of the data. Let's use text clustering as an example. Let's assume you have 1000 documents and you want to categorize them and try to find similar documents, and you want to create clusters based on the similarity. Unsupervised learning is a very good use case for that. So you can use unsupervised learning and ask unsupervised learning to learn the similarities in these 1000 text documents, and you ask unsupervised learning to categorize, to create clusters based on the similarities. Recommendation system also can be used as an unsupervised learning example, because one of the methods used in recommendation system is to find the similar people. Say I like to listen Mozart and Beethoven, and you listen Mozart. So then unsupervised learning can detect that we are in the same cluster because we are similar. Then someone can make a recommendation based on that similarity. Reinforcement learning is quite different from supervised and unsupervised learning. We provide the data to supervised and unsupervised learning. But in this case, for reinforcement learning, we are providing the environment and asking reinforcement learning to maximize a reward. I'm sure you have seen some AI applications that plays video games. This is a perfect example for reinforcement learning, because there is a reward which is score and you try to maximize it. You provide the information, so you provide the environment, and you provide the reward, that is your reward, and you ask reinforcement learning to learn to act for that video game, to play this video game by trial and error and maximize the score, maximize the reward. This is the basic idea of reinforcement learning. Instead of providing the data, we provided the environment and we ask reinforcement learning to learn by trial and error to maximize a reward. In this short video, I tried to explain types of machine learning algorithms. See you in next videos.